Hi everybody, I am here with my junk journal walkthrough, my finished junk journal, and this video is going to give you so many good ideas, inspiration, and just kind of show you what I've been up to. Now, you can use the same kit as me because this is actually available as a digital kit, or you can just use this video for inspiration and use papers that you already have. Both ways are totally fine. If you are wanting this kit, then now is the perfect time because if you get it during March, you can get it at the best price, or you can just buy it separately on Etsy year round. But we do a subscription, and again, that's your best money saver. And anyways, let's just move on with our walkthrough. By the way, a lot of the items that you're going to see completed in this journal do have matching tutorials, and I will link the March playlist that has those tutorials at the end of this video. Alright, starting off strong, you guys can see this cover. This is actually made out of chipboard and just paper, regular weight copy paper, and there is a tutorial on it. It is really sturdy. I was pleasantly surprised. I always like trying new things and then recommending or not recommending them to you guys, and this was a fun one. It is really sturdy. A little bit more difficult to make than regular fabric, but the end result is sturdy. I had no worries about it tearing or anything. Okay, let's jump into this first page. I love it. It is so cute. Just right here on the front, I just made a random little pocket with these 3 little tags, and in this kit you'll see I added a lot of eyelets and other details. I don't use anything too crazy other than eyelets, string, and charms, and sometimes some stickers. Now, right here we have a hidden journaling spot. I accidentally didn't realize that if I opened that, the word joy would bend. So I actually cut it off and glued it down to the page, and I thought that was really intelligent of me. I was very proud of myself. And then here are the 2 tags. We have a video on 3 different tag ideas. This is just a fun little recap of some of those. I loved adding charms to this kit. They just looked so good with it, and I had a really good time. There are 3 pockets per those little projects you can see right there, and the hidden journaling spot. And so you can see it right there. We have a video for the tags and for that hidden journaling spot video. The hidden journaling pocket is actually insanely easy, and I highly recommend that video to you guys if you haven't already seen it. Then we flip the page and we have another gorgeous layout. This is the mini project for the March kit. It was super fun. It came together super easy and just has these gorgeous tags that just get pulled in and out of those little file folder pockets. And then the other side is a little bit more plain in a good way. There's a lot of journaling space, and then there was that journaling card. And then that really cute bird charm up top. I love it. It's so cute. Now, this next page is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we had these 2 pieces of ephemera that I stuck in there. I've never really made a page like this, and I kind of loved it. I used those little book cutouts as pockets over another pocket. I don't know, it kind of framed the page in a really cool way, and I was kind of pleasantly surprised. And then we have some stickers around the page and some pieces of ephemera. Here is a little bit of a close-up. As you guys can see, it's all just super pretty and really cute, and we'll go to the next one. So this page was a very simple one. All it is a belly band with a little bit of a tag insert. I loved that the belly band, it just holds it tighter than you would imagine it. Like the tag doesn't move around, and it's really cute. The tag also has that doubled little tab feature at the top with some string. And then on this other side, we have a hidden, not really hidden, I guess, just a little pocket with a tag and this gorgeous envelope. These envelopes were super fun to make. We did make a video on that. How to make envelopes and how to embellish them. Super fun video, very informative. I learned a lot, and I hope you guys did too. Here's the close-up, and I really love the soft mint blue with the neutral colors. I think it's a gorgeous color scheme. Okay, this page was super fun. It was kind of one of those ones where I just started throwing things on the page, and I made these little flip-flops with some faux tape stickers and threw some ephemera on there, and then used that other piece of ephemera as a tuck spot. I thought it was really cool, and if you want to secure your tags, you can use the piece of ephemera to hold down the tag flaps, so kind of versatile. And same thing with here, we have some just layering with the pockets, and then a piece of ephemera, or I guess a fussy cut, and a really cute tag. I always want to be very transparent with you guys, so I'll be honest about this next page. I loved parts of it. I loved the pockets, but I kind of want to replace the tags. I think I chose a poor choice of tag combinations, and they're okay. They really were fine, but I do want to be honest. I do have favorite pages and sometimes least favorite pages, and that was kind of one of them. I just didn't love the end look, but maybe you guys do. And this is another one of those triple hidden journaling pockets. I didn't add as many tags into this one. I just have that really cute piece of ephemera that's hidden in there, and same thing with the top. And here's that close-up for you guys. Kind of fun. I do like it. I do. Even though it's not my favorite, I still love the overall look. Moving on, we have another one of those mini projects with the 3-pocket method. This one has flowers on it, so a few different designs, but the same idea, and a cute charm. Live your dream. And flip it to the other side, and I hid a pocket. I added a sticker, and I had these really cute tags. This fussy cut in the top left corner here is actually a little pocket. I love adding little pockets everywhere. Maybe it's excessive, but I enjoy it. So I always kind of try and find little spots to do that. Then on this side, it was another one of those kind of papers where I just slathered on some ephemera, added some stickers, and created a very simple hidden pocket. I hope you guys are enjoying this, because I sure am. It's always fun and rewarding to see a journal come to life, especially one done in your own style. This is probably my simplest page in the entire journal. Literally so simple, but it's pretty to look at, and honestly, that's what I like to do with my journals. Got a flip-flop there, and then a hidden pocket with another double-sided pocket inside, and just a piece of ephemera to boot. This specific kit that I was working with was really fun because you can kind of take it in a lot of directions and just do I don't know, you can make it your own style fairly easy. And so mine was more focused on the kind of Roman Greek style, a few butterflies, maps, but you easily could have taken this in a floral direction. I just didn't include a lot of floral elements. Here on this page, sorry, I got a little sidetracked there, we have a envelope that is also doubles as a pocket for that tag, and then on this one, there are 2 little tags in here. This tag here is actually a swivel tag. We covered that in a video. And I had to highlight this charm because it's my favorite one in the entire kit that I used. That will be dropping in one of our drops in just a week or two. Really soon. I'll let you guys know the official date on that. I only have a few though. The pockets in this one were cool. They were faux envelope pockets. I also really quickly want to show you guys another thing I worked on this month that was included in one of our subscriptions. We have 2, the base plan and then the extra plan. This one is included in the extra plan, the gold bundle, and it's a really cute little folio. It's the perfect size, it's compact, it's strong, it is so much fun. I'm showing you this one because it's one of my favorites. There are just so many fun elements to it. We'll do a very brief walkthrough. But you flip it open and there's little pieces of ephemera in that pocket. Flip it down maybe, and there is kind of a reverse envelope. I think this is one of my favorite features in this kit. And then of course pockets with ephemera on both sides there. And then these are actually hidden tags right here. 2 of them, they're on both sides, and then we're gonna look at this waterfall flap right here. Just little pockets hidden here and there, ephemera, journal space, blank writing. It's all there and it's all so much fun. And that's pretty much everything. Super easy to close up. If you guys want this, I recommend subscribing to the premium bundle plan just because you can get it and a bunch of other things at a really great price. Affordability and quality are the 2 things me and my mom care most about with this little small business of ours, and that's why we started this subscription, is to be able to bring you guys a huge kit that you can pick and choose elements, use all of the elements, whatever your preference is, and save money doing it while also still being able to pay our own bills. I appreciate you guys watching this video so much. Thank you for taking the time. And feel free to check out how to get this kit or just use some of your own. I hope you guys found this video instructive and inspiring. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in our next video.